welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2023 Premier 230 Sunsation. A beautiful boat here. It's 23 feet in length. This is a tri-toon. We have the flip-up cleats here and the docking lights up in the bow. Black exterior with the black paneling right here as well. And then a bimini top up there that matches the boat. As we make our way back to the stern, this boat we did option this with the safety railing. Got the beautiful black ski tow bar, and then this is powered by a 200 Mercury. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, welcome inside. We're gonna start here on the stern and then make our way into the boat. Right off the bat, check out this lounger here. Many different options to have these cushions facing forwards or backwards. For example, this goes all the way down into a complete sun pad. You just simply adjust this down. You can sit facing forwards, or you can hang out and relax when you're on the water. And then putting it back to its position here. This folds right up. And then you can have passengers sitting again forward and then others sitting facing backwards. This boat does have the safety railing on it, so it makes it legal for passengers to ride underway. You just simply connect the two chains across on the ski tow bar and you're good to go. Making our way into the boat, lots of cup holders on here and tons of storage. We do have some spots here for your phone, and then a little compartment as well to hook up your phone on USBs and get it out of the sun and away from the water. Up here at the helm, we have high back seats here, co-captain and captain seating. These do swivel and adjust, and then we have the raised helm. So sitting up here, we do have a tilt steering wheel, place to put your phone, and then we have the Lowrance and standard tax, and this is powered by Clarion audio. And there's tons of room on this boat. It's max rating is for 15 passengers, so there's a lot of room here for your friends and family. We have a storage compartment underneath here, and then since this is a tri-toon, we do have in-floor storage. So I've said this before in previous videos, but I really like what Premier does with their seating here. All these cushions have tons of storage underneath, and then they come back on hinges so they're not going to fall all over the place when you hit a big wake. And then you just simply put them back here. Again, great boat. This is a tri-toon, Premier's 230 Sunsation, 23 feet in length. It's got plenty of room all over the boat for your friends and family. This is located here at our store in Rogers. Feel free to give us a call, make an appointment, or walk right on in. We'd love to show you around. Thanks. Thank you.